Okay, so here we are about to install the sensor. To answer a couple of the questions that came up from our first video. The batteries, they either last sort of somewhere between 2 and 5 years. Again, it depends on the programming, as I said, with how much data you want to send and how often. And yes, LoRaWAN, that's how it works. It doesn't use your regular Wi-Fi. LoRaWAN has like a 10K send over open thing. Obviously, in a factory environment, it's not a 10K thing, but in the open environment, it is. So it's different from your standard Wi-Fi. Okay, here we go. So here's the sensor, and as we see, it's just easy. Here's the live wire that we need to clip it over, and all you do, clip it over, and that's it. Job done.